Hello viewers, so this is my Za.gl account and I have made about $3.05 here. So the question is how I made these dollars. You can see the average CPM here. That's the way I made it is I have used blogger and I've made a site starcrack4k.com blogspot.com, and look, there is lots of views. That's how I made $3. And you can see that there's a little work, title, descriptions. You can edit a little bit, you can copy from another site, descriptions, add the photo and the download link. I've added the Za.gl link in this site and it's getting views day by day, increasing actually. And you can see all my views from here. Lots of views. Every click bought me $3. This $3, and you can see lots of views from here. I have made this post in just 3 or 2 days and it's working. Click the link below and you will see something like this. Za.gl, and then sign up. Click on sign up. Use your username first. Anything you want. And then use your email. Use password. And again the password, same password. Solve the captcha. And then click agree and register. It's done. Now just log in using your username, password, solve the captcha again, and it's done. Just use the link below and make the account, and then the whole process. I've shown you the process. If you need some help, you can comment below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. These are the Za.gl payment proofs. You can find another payment proofs in YouTube channels. The genuine payment proof, they pays you actually, and I'm showing you the more easiest way. Now I'll show the easiest way, more easier than this actually. This is easy also, but easier way. Now the easier way is I have made a subtitle site and it's getting views. Don't forget to add your site on Google Console, then it will get views. At first, add the link, download link Now I will copy. This is the genuine link. I haven't used this site yet. And paste your link. Copy and paste here. Okay, it's done. This is the subtitle link. Okay, it's easy. It's very much easy. Look, I have made a lots of subtitle link. I have another site like this, same one. It's getting views every day. I haven't added zagl links here. You can see the title at first, picture, a little bit of descriptions, and the link, the genuine link, actually subtitle link. This is subtitle link. Copy. I have made the link. Now copy, paste it on zagl and shorten it. Copy it again, paste here. It's done. Now all the clicks I will get cents from there. This is the description. Yes, this is the easier way. Easiest. I will show you the easiest way in another video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and to create this account use the link below, Za.gl, and create the account, make money and be happy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, 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 please.